So this is literally minutes, being recorded literally minutes after the last video. If you look at this, this is an emulator of Windows. So how about we try Windows 1? Let's see how bad it is. I know it was bad. Oh my god. Here it is. So there was a calculator, even back then. Even back then, it knew that dividing by 0 was a shit idea. But look, if you just... What does it do? See, this is kind of the problem. So that's Windows 1, you know, you could open up, like, Notepad. Do whatever you want, I guess. But overall, I'd call this entire thing in general just a big old failure. Now if I click OK, it actually goes here to this menu, which is supposed to be, yeah, it's MS-DOS. MS-DOS was an older operating system. Windows originally was actually an extension of MS-DOS. And you know, if you type in the command win, then it opened up Windows. And you know, there was one game, there was Reversi. I don't know really how Reversi works, but you know, so I mainly just click around a ton and just hope that something good happens. It was generally a bad version. So if we go to say, so I'm going to be exploring all of the pre-95 versions. Yeah, Windows 2 emulator. I've been playing around with these for a little while. This isn't like my first time doing this. No. I've been doing this for a while. I know you could almost call me an expert in it. It's launching DOSBox. So this was much more refined. So you could have, say, let's imagine that you had your clock open. That you wanted your clock open. Clock for some reason took a really long time for Windows 2 to load up. So remember, I'm literally simulating a computer inside my computer. Just literally, it's operating as if it's amazing what computers can do. Pretty great. It's pretty slow at this though. It would be quicker if I actually had the operating system, but then again, my computer would also be basically rendered useless then, so I'm not switching. So you know, you could have the clock open, and at the same time have Notepad open, and then you could minimize things, but more importantly, things could overlap with each other. Look at this, crazy, right? Not really. It's not really that crazy. By today's standards anyway, it isn't that crazy. But back then, this was a fucking revolution. So, the clock was around for a very long time. Windows was originally meant to be used for other things than what we use it for today. Today, most people use it for a home use. Oh, and now you can click on things. And now you can do, like, help, and cd ... and win. Will not do anything anymore. You can do lots of nice commands. You can do, like, I know my shit. I know my current command prompt. I can remove windows. Okay, no. Then how about I remove... What the fuck? No, wait, just one. R W. Wait, no. Let's go into Windows for a moment here. Little sidetrack. I'd imagine we could delete like Notepad, for example. No. Okay. So next we'll go for Windows free, right? So the next version, not 3.1. 3.1 was okay, but I mean free was also. You. What the? I think we need a different emulator. Okay, classicreload.com. There it is. DOSBox. So, you know, DOSBox is this emulator for MS-DOS, but it can be used for very much later things too. So this is Windows free. It looks quite revolutionary, doesn't it? Look at this. Isn't this grand? Looks quite nice. One interesting addition was the games. There was a new game, Solitaire. Solitaire is a very nice game. It also had some extra features. You could change the deck. It also even had a robot, which is interesting because this is very old kind of stuff. So it's quite surprising. So, you know, this is the game, Solitaire. It's amazing. It's a grand game, great game. And we still had Reversey. You know, you could still play good old Reversey. Still don't know how to play that game. I still have absolutely no idea how Reversey works. But the next version of Windows was much more polished. So actually we have it here. 3.1 was a little bit better. I suppose you could say it was a bit better, but some might say that was actually a bit worse. And you can basically find every version of Windows emulates. Water bottle time. Hydration is important. But first should do. Right. Right, it's okay. It's a little weird, but yeah. So, File Manager, right, I didn't open up File Manager. This was also here before in Windows free. But here it is. File Manager. This is the earliest version of File Explorer. See, it's much more polished now. How than back then, but even back then it seems quite similar almost. Now if we looked at games, you can see that Reversey has been removed and replaced with Minesweeper. Minesweeper now. Oh shit. I'm horrible at Minesweeper. Now you can kind of get Minesweeper just Working beautifully. Just amazing. Look at that shit. I won, boy. Whoa. I usually don't win Minesweeper. Then again, it was pretty obvious where it was. And you know, you can click this button to start a game. Oh, look at this. These two are kind of stuck together in a weird collage. A collage, by the way, is like something that's glued together. Look, sunglasses. Holy shit. Oh my god, here we actually have a choice. Like, what did we press? Oh! Okay. Okay, that's nice. Oh, we still have 4 minutes. I don't care. Or do I? No, I don't. Bye. That's all of Windows before 95 or any of the NT versions. And in case you were really about to shout at me for not including the 3.0 version of File Manager, here we go. It's basically the same as 3.1's version of File Manager. You look, File Manager. Oh, never mind, it's actually different. Wow, it's different. It's really different. And yeah, I can open up things. Just like in Modern. So yeah. Oh, an interesting thing about clock in free in 3.1. There's one thing that I forgot to mention. In free, it got changed to an analog, i.e. a number clock, instead of a wall clock. Come on, you idiot. Stop working so slowly. Slow. Slow down. Get up there. Oh, never mind. That was wait. So in free, it was like that. It was a default like that, but it was digital. You could turn it digital. This is by the way about clock. It's a copyright message. Although that did change actually. Here. With free. Oh my god, I'm reaching the end of the video. Like, if I post something more than 15 minutes, then I try posting something more than 15 minutes. Come on, work it. Don't want to have to stop the video before I show it. Okay. Okay, I don't care. After. Go to accessories. You can see clock. And here, now it's digital. Oh, it looks a bit different too. It looks better now, and it's also digital by default, although you can still change to analog. That is Windows before 95. Bye!